This is a small rotating, motor-driven rotating model of a yacht. Reflective sail, stainless steel, slowly rotating, and the reflection is very interesting, very mesmerizing. And the shape of the yacht is according to scale. So it's a model of a big yacht. You can see the reflection, and now it's reflection from the daylight and spotlight. It can be reflection from the sunlight and some other. And you can see the water. The water is also reflective, and the water reflection goes onto the sail. You can see slowly. Right? So it's at the moment it's being installed in my house. Thank you.